Ever wonder why Harvard geneticist Dr. David Sinclair, outspoken commentator Joe Rogan, and pioneering biohacker Dave Asprey are all buzzing about liposomal NAD? This advanced form of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, essential for energy production, DNA repair, and potentially slowing the aging process, bypasses the digestive breakdown that standard supplements face. Liposomal technology wraps NAD in protective liposomes, boosting absorption and delivering real cellular results. Celebrities from pro athletes to Hollywood A-listers are rumored to rely on NAD for sharper focus, improved endurance, and overall vitality. Curious? Check out top sellers on Amazon like Quicksilver Scientific Liposomal NAD plus Gold and Renue by Science Liposomal NAD plus Complete. Both brands harness this groundbreaking science, offering a potent way to elevate your health span. Ready to supercharge your cells? Liposomal NAD may just be your next step toward renewed energy and longevity. Stay healthy and strong well into your older years and get ahead of it now. Read the whole story at atlantismagazine.net today.